Improving your balance with a balance pad is incredibly useful for activities of daily living like walking, and also improving activities that use a lot of balance like squatting. What I'm going to show you is a few great balance exercises. The balance pad I'm using will be linked down below in the description, and the first balance drill for beginners or just people who want better balance is just going to be a gentle shift left and right here, just kind of feeling the balance shift in between your feet. Once you get the hang of this, you can then move into a slightly staggered stance. I'll show it from the side, so I'll be kind of in a half heel to toe. This balance pad isn't too wide going side to side, so the next drill that I'm going to show you, and it kind of goes off a little bit, this is where it gets dicey here, is a full heel to toe. So we start with a half step and then a full heel to toe. You try to keep your hands to the side of your body the entire time. Of course, switching on both directions anytime you're doing staggered feet, incredibly important. That's where it gets really, really dicey for me. So that's 3 exercises, really great there. You can also add in some marches. So instead of just doing those shifts, this is where you bring up those feet slightly side to side, again, going as high as you can, ultimately to the point where you can maybe even progress into doing a simple hold for a few seconds, coming down, hold for a few seconds, and then coming down. Another great drill, and this is more of an advanced drill, is what we call a single leg RDL. You're going to reach down towards the ground in an RDL or Romanian deadlift position. This one's really tough, as you can see. I just failed. I'll try it again from the side here. Go all the way down, keeping that back nice and straight, going down. Man, this is really tough for balance drill. All the way down here, showing you just even for me how difficult it is. So you can kind of pick a progression for you. I'm just kind of going down, trying to honestly just touch my knee in this position and then come up. Once you get better at it, and of course switching legs, once you get better at it though, you can go all the way down to your shin, come up. Another great drill. To make that one just a little bit of a different stimulus, you can also do it reaching forward. So from the side, reaching forward. Good, trying to keep a nice firm footing on the ground when I'm doing any of these. I'm literally trying to grip that balance pad in position, forward and back. All of those exercises can be done without a balance pad.